Alcoholism. We are going to cover what is alcoholism, warning signs of alcoholism, causes of alcoholism, what are the effects of alcohol, alcoholism risk factors, health complications from alcohol abuse, migrant workers and alcoholism, getting help treatment. What is alcoholism? Alcoholism, referred to as alcohol use disorder, occurs when someone drinks so much that their body eventually becomes dependent on or addicted to alcohol. Drinking alcohol beyond low risk levels can seriously affect many different areas of your health and well being, even if you never become addicted to alcohol. Sometimes the warning signs of alcohol abuse are very noticeable. Other times they can take longer to surface. When alcohol addiction is discovered in its early stages, the chance for a successful recovery increases significantly. Common signs of alcoholism include being unable to control alcohol consumption, craving alcohol when you're not drinking, putting alcohol above personal responsibilities, feeling the need to keep drinking more, spending a substantial amount of money on alcohol, behaving differently after drinking. Causes of alcoholism. Alcohol use disorder develops when you drink so much that chemical changes in the brain occur. These changes increase the pleasurable feelings you get when you drink alcohol. This makes you want to drink more often, even if it causes harm. Several of the most common causes of alcoholism are biological factors, environmental factors, social factors, and psychological factors. Biological factors. While some individuals can limit the amount of alcohol they consume, others feel a strong impulse to keep going. For some people, alcohol gives off feelings of pleasure, encouraging the brain to repeat the behavior. Environmental factors. People who live closer to alcohol establishments are said to have a more positive outlook on drinking and are more likely to participate in the activity. Social factors. When you have a new job or are new to school or somewhere, the desire to fit in and be liked can cause you to participate and drink alcohol in activities you usually wouldn't join in. Psychological factors. People with high stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions are more vulnerable to developing alcoholism. Eventually, the pleasurable feelings associated with alcohol use go away, and the person with alcohol use disorder will engage in drinking to prevent withdrawal symptoms. These withdrawal symptoms can be quite unpleasant and even dangerous. What are the effects of alcohol? Every person is different. Therefore, the effects of alcohol vary from person to person. While some people may be able to limit their drinking, others have a difficult time controlling their alcohol consumption. In order to fully understand the consequence of drinking, you should first know what constitutes a drink. One drink is recognized as 12 fluid ounces of beer, approximately 5% alcohol, 8 to 9 fluid ounces of malt liquid, about 7% alcohol, 5 fluid ounces of wine, roughly 12% of alcohol, 1.5 fluid ounces of 80 proof distilled spirits, vodka, rum, gin, tequila, whiskey, an estimated of 40% alcohol. Alcoholism risk factors. Alcoholism risk factors do not mean you will develop a drinking problem. However, they should serve as a prevention measure. If you have one or more risk factors, speak with a medical health professional about alcoholism warning signs and prevention resources. Several common alcohol abuse risk factors include drinking at an early age, family history with alcohol addiction, high levels of stress, peer pressure, frequent alcohol consumption over a long period, health complications from alcohol abuse. Drinking too much alcohol on a single occasion or long term can take a serious toll on your health. Some effects of alcohol may have a minor effects on your health, while others can be severe or life-threatening. Several short-term effects of alcohol abuse may include slow reaction time, poor reflexes, reduced brain activity, lowered inhibitions, blurry vision, difficulty breathing. Here are some of the long-term health conditions caused by alcohol: brain defects, liver disease, diabetes complications, heart problems, increased risk of cancer, and vision damage. Migrant workers and alcoholism. Moving away from home, from your family, is not easy. Some migrant workers during their stay in Canada suffered worry, sadness, nostalgia, depression, stress, uncertainty, confusion, loneliness, and fear, as well as stress regarding work situations, cultural differences, the language barrier, and personal issues. Living away from home and family can be tough. Isolation and anxiety about living in a foreign country, among other factors, can make migrant workers more at risk for alcohol dependence. The first step toward it is if you are a loved one. The first step toward it is if your a loved one is experiences the effects of alcohol, it's time to get help. Contact a treatment provider to discuss available alcohol rehab facilities. Treatment for alcoholism. Choosing to seek help for an alcohol addiction is one of the biggest decisions you will face. There are different forms of treatment available based on the frequency of alcohol consumption and the severity of alcohol abuse. Alcohol treatment can be broken into 3 sections consisting of detoxification. This phase should be complete with the help of medical professionals due to the potential for serious uncomfortable withdrawal symptoms. Inpatient rehab. Intensive treatment programs that require you to check into a facility for a certain period of time, usually 30, 60, or 90 days. Outpatient rehab allows individuals to participate in a recovery program while continuing with their daily lives. The recovery process doesn't end with the completion of rehab. Long-term sobriety requires ongoing therapy and may entail support groups, counseling, and other recovery resources. This will make sure you maintain sobriety and continue on in a happy, healthy path for months and years to come. We hope that this information has been helpful to you. If you need help, please contact a professional service. The Migrant Worker Community Program can refer you to health professionals for help and support. Your health and well-being are what matter most. Please follow us on our social media for more information.